Nikki, where are you going on those crutches?
Charlie's Chicken Hut. Where else?
You can't work like that. You're a waitress.
Yeah, try telling Carlos that.
He told you to come in?
Yeah, while I was laying on the floor.
That's ridiculous. Tell me about it. And while you're at it, stay off your feet.
Oh, my ankle.
Get off the floor. That's bad for business having you lying around my restaurant.
I must have slipped on the honey hot sauce.
And that's my problem? You're on the clock and you've got customers.
The pain is really severe. I don't think I can put any weight on it.
If you'd come for the optional safety training, you'd know what to do. But you couldn't come because you weren't going to get paid.
I don't think training would have helped slipping on honey hot sauce.
Well, you won't be getting paid now, that's for certain, unless you can think of some other way to earn your wages not standing on your feet.
Can you at least help me out?
What, and have you sue me? No, you're on your own. Oh, and by the way, you might be fired.
Fired?
Well, you can take tomorrow off to take care of that, I guess, but I expect you back here on Tuesday.
We're closed tomorrow.
Well, I guess you picked the right day to get injured.
So that's it, Louie. I have to go to work or he's gonna fire me.
Nikki, did Carlos or any manager or assistant manager at that chicken hut discuss workers' compensation with you?
Workers' compensation? What's that?
Well, Nikki, there are laws called workers' compensation laws that protect workers who are injured while working. If you are injured while working, the employer is usually responsible for paying the medical expenses related to the injury, and usually you will get a portion of your wages while you are unable to work. Most employers don't tell young workers about workers' compensation because they don't want to have to pay for injured workers. People like Carlos would rather tell you to show up or you're fired. Most states have elements that a worker will need to prove in order to establish that they are entitled to workers' compensation benefits. 1. The worker must be an employee of the employer. 2. The employee must have sustained an injury or suffer from some disease caused by the workplace. 3. The injury causing the event must have occurred on the job while doing tasks related to the employee's job. 4. The employee must show that they are disabled or injured. And 5. There must be a loss in wages because the worker can't work. Most states have an agency that will assist workers who have been injured on the job if the employer is trying not to pay them their workers' compensation. There is a lot more information at the website, www.legalhyena.com, so you might want to read up and let Carlos know you mean business.